Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. First of all, happy Black History Month, everybody.
It's February, it's Black History Month. What does that mean to you guys?
Excuse me?
Black History Month?
We need a longer month.
This is the first video I'm shooting and uploading for the month of February. Yeah, it's a mini tutorial, so this isn't gonna be even a long intro. If you wanna know how I got this look and the products that I use, just make sure you keep on watching. However, first, you knew it was coming. Make sure you press that subscribe button down below and join the family. Also, actually, press the that bell notification button as well so you can get notified of new uploads in situations like this, because I usually post on Mondays and Fridays. However, this time I'm posting on Wednesday and Friday, so in case things ever switch up in future times, make sure you have that bell notification button on and you'll always be updated on my videos. So without further ado, let's go ahead and start the tutorial. Okay, so y'all know the deal. We're getting all nice, close, and zoomed up. So today I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty Snap Shadows number 1 number 1 called True Neutrals. And just to warm up the crease, we're going to go ahead and put the color Come and Get It into our crease with a relatively fluffy-ish crease brush, even tapping off excess, and just start blending that in. Now, the way I actually want to carry this color, I want to carry it all around and actually into my nose. So I'm kind of like not fluffing, but whatever that word is I'm looking for. I'm starting here and I'm coming all the way to my nose and kind of just like feathering it out as I go to the end of the line. This is going to kind of make our eyes look a little bit longer in a way, and that's the overall look and feel that I'm going for today. So just making sure to blend that as you go in circles in the end and kind of do smaller circles into kind of a push when you get to the nose. And keeping it high up, like above the crease. Again, the whole I have hooded eyes thing, I'm looking forward, or you know, if I look into the camera, you can see like right here, this is pretty much where I want to keep the color. The only sort of danger with doing this is, which is why you should also keep a clean blending brush, is to make sure it doesn't like unibrow in the middle. So make sure you keep that middle space of your nose free of eyeshadow. So just keep making sure that this is nice and blended and relatively packed on, but not too much. I'm honestly just trying something new. I tried it out yesterday, which is why I didn't have a video for Monday. I'm recording this on Monday, so I tried this out Sunday, and it came out, I thought, relatively well, so I'm trying to replicate what I did. Now moving on to onto a flat brush like so. I'm gonna be picking up the color Simmer Down, and I'm gonna place that pretty much everywhere where I didn't put the first color. So taking Simmer Down on my brush, then starting here, just gonna kind of swipe that color on, and pat, actually. Pat and swipe. Now, as I've said before, I love these snap shadows, and I actually want to get more of them, because I feel like you can just do so much, and they're small and they're compact, but you can do so much with them. And Lord knows, to save money, I love to have multi-use, multi-function, whatever you want to say, products. Highly recommend the snap shadows. Their color payoff is also really well and really good. But yeah, if there's anything you definitely should get from Fenty Beauty, is definitely, I recommend like all their products, to be honest, but their snap shadows are really good. It's the same thing with the Moroccan Spice palette. Like, I don't know what it is, but their eyeshadows are just so easy to work with, and yeah, they're just amazing. So I recommend getting these. And if you're a beginner, sort of, this one, number 1, is an easy go-to because it's got all neutral colors, things that will easily blend into your skin, and it just looks nice. So now I'm gonna take a smaller brush like so, I'm gonna jump into the color Affogato, And just a little bit, I'm gonna blend that around the like perimeter and outside of the eyes. Very beautiful color as well. It's really good for deepening and kind of adding definition back to the eyes, is why, again, I really love this one. So going back in with the flat brush and going back into Simmer Down, just touching up that color again, just to blend it out into the eyes again, or into the that color at the end, so that the darkness of it doesn't completely overtake. See, this is like such a beautiful pink color. I just love it. And then going back into our original first brush, and going into Come and Get It, and just getting a little bit of it and swooping it along the whole, pretty much putting it right back where we put it in the beginning, and just kind of reviving it. It got a little bit lost in the sauce, so you want to bring it back. And so now, taking another flat brush, but this one's like a little bit smaller, gonna go back into Come and Get It, and that's going right on our lower lash line. And so now, to finish off the shadow portion of the eye, I'm gonna jump into, or gonna take the color Velvet Cuffs, and I'm gonna place that as my inner corner highlight. I'm kind of like elongating it just a little bit, not too much, because then it'll look crazy, and bringing it, like pushing it into my nose, because that's the kind of inner tear shape that I have. The inner corner, whatever. Lovely. All right, so don't know why I closed that. Let's spice up the outside. Let's just try something else new. Taking what do I want to take? Cleaning off all of the product from that flat brush that we used earlier. I'm gonna now use the color Tequila Night and put that on top of, on the outside, right here. Just a little bit. I don't really know what this is doing, or if it's really even adding anything, because I'm using so little of it, but we can just say we used it. All right, so that's that. Now on to mascara. I'm taking the L'Oreal, where is it? There we go, come on, focus. L'Oreal, this mascara, and I'm using it as a mascara. So off camera, I went ahead and finished the other eye mascara, and I used setting spray. And so to finish it off, just taking some Fenty Gloss Bomb and Fussy, and that's just gonna be the end of it. So that is the final look. I hope you all enjoyed this look. I tried something sort of different, sort of new. I'm liking how it looks. Yeah, thank you for watching this mini tutorial, and be sure to check in next time I have a video. Peace.